Okay, in this question, we are considering certification test. So let me read the question. The information we are given is 40% of the candidates take the test at location A, and then 60% take the test at location B, right? We can write them as unconditional probability in this way, right? We get the unconditional probability, and then also we know that how many of them pass the test at each location. So 78% is the percentage of the candidates who pass the test from location A. So given location A, at location A, the probability of passing the test is 78%. And then the other 60%, the 60% is the probability of pass at location B, right? So this is the information we get, and we are interested in, we have to calculate among those who pass the test, what is the conditional probability that that candidate took the test at location A. So we have to calculate probability. So the condition is among those who pass the test. So if you know that a candidate passed the test, then what is the probability that he or she took the test at location A? So this is what we have to calculate. Given passing, what is the probability of location A? So we are going to use the tree method. So assume that 1,000 people take the test, right? And then and we know 40% take it at A and 60% take it at B. So we will divide 1,000 people into two groups, right? So 40% is 400. So out of 1,000, 400 people took the test at A and 600 took the test at B, according to the unconditional probabilities, right? So now we are going to use the conditional probabilities at each location. So at A, we are going to divide 400 people into pass or fail. So 78% pass the test. Out of 400, 78% is 312. And then the other, so this is 78%. And then fail is 22%. That is 88 out of 400. Similarly, we are going to divide 600 into pass and fail. We know that probability. So pass probability is 60%, fail is 40%. So 360 is 60% of 600. And then the other 40% is 240. Okay, now we have to calculate the final conditional probability. So our condition is passing the test. That means we can ignore those who fail, right? So the denominator must be the total number of people who pass the test, right? Like this. And out of these two groups, we are looking at the probability of A. So that means this, right? So this is numerator. 312 is on the numerator. This is the probability of A given pass. Okay, that is the answer.